keys, push the start, let's go. And you know I possess many flows, 10 toes, never fold, gotta stick to the code.
14 animal fights caught on camera. Lion versus crocodile. In the Kenyan wild,
Oh, hold on.
most
Wait a minute.
ancient predators goes head to head versus.
Bro, Wi-Fi cheeks, bro. What's up? Bro. Bro, what's up, bro? I hope this don't get catching me. I hope it's not like
The lion. They're fighting over an elephant carcass, and at first the battle seems fair until the lion's comrades join in. At which point the crocodile.
he getting
has a
jumped.
chance, but he continues to fight, taking bites at the lion pack. Unfortunately for him, though, in the end, he's no match in this 3-versus-1 battle. The
See, why they
lions
jump
win
him, though?
and claim the elephant carcass for themselves. Snake versus bunny. Don't feel bad for the bunny just yet, as this fight doesn't go the way you'd probably assume. The
bunny is
kicking it viciously, eventually forcing it to flee in terror. The bunny goes aggressive, biting at the back of the snake as it tries to run away, and eventually, the bunny is victorious.
very
Giraffe
victorious.
versus lion.
I was watching
In this insane fight, somewhere in the plains of Africa, the lion
Gee!
jumps up to
Hold on. Wait a minute.
but the
Wait a minute.
giraffe
Hold on.
versus lion.
Hold
In
on.
this
Look
insane
how he jumped
fight,
up.
somewhere in the plains of Africa. The
Oh.
lion jumps up to bite at the giraffe's neck, but the giraffe body slams the lion in the chest, pummeling it to the ground, and then kicking it repeatedly, not letting the lion recover. In the end,
That's
giraffe
horrible.
proves victorious.
Reminds me of that one video of the girl getting kicked.
Cobra versus mongoose. This hungry snake is on the hunt for food, but he stumbles into the wrong home. The mongoose sneaks up on the snake and bites it in the head.
Oh my
but that's
gosh.
far from the end of the battle.
See, who's recording
as the
that?
snake wraps up the mongoose, trying to crush it.
How do they know
But
this is
in the
happening?
end, the mongoose wins, saving its 4 kids. Shark versus octopus. This unfortunate.
See, how do they record? How do they know this is gonna
swimming
happen?
Through the peaceful ocean, when an octopus disguised as coral grabs it from underneath and starts to wrestle the life from its body. The shark tries to fight back, but there's not much he can do as the octopus already
See, who's
has
just
a
down in the
firm
ocean just
grip.
recording this? Like, how do they know this is about to happen?
Lion versus buffalo.
Oh,
In this
shoot.
crazy South African battle,
Detroit versus,
a pack of lions is trying to take down a lone buffalo. But then the buffalo has a few friends show up. One of them
Dang
flings
it,
the
I'm
lion
tripping.
straight into the sky, saving the other buffalo's life. In the end, all the animals walk away unhurt. And in my book, that's a win for the buffalo. Badger versus fox. One of the most heartbreaking.
Bruh, I'm not even
fights on
gonna
this
lie.
list.
Hold on.
This animals walk away unhurt.
Hold on.
And in my book, that's a win for the buffalo.
I guarantee you, not one human being knew what a buffalo looked. No, not a buffalo. A badger looked like. Look at this, bro. Look at this animal. Okay, I got a scenario for y'all. So say you lay in your bed, right? You sleep. You wake up. You see this on top of your chest. What you doing first thing? This thing is hideous, bro. Like, look at his teeth. Like, bro, like, his teeth look like mine. Like, dang. Except for those big, the 4 big ones. But, like, dang. That look kind of scary. Let me watch this video, though. Hold on.
Badger versus fox. One of the most heartbreaking fights on this list. This badger in Yellowstone National Park encroached on a mama fox's land, trying to eat her kids. The fox battled ferociously, trying to get the badger out of her hole, but in the end, the badger won, and both of the mama fox's kids died. Leopard versus lion.
die?
This fight begins with a leopard sleeping.
My man's
peacefully,
asleep,
unaware
bro.
that a lion's about to attack him. This would be a rude awakening. The lion viciously charges the leopard. The leopard jumps up, unaware of what's going on, and then quickly
Dang, he
realizes
woke up-
he's in grave
He woke up
danger.
fast as ever.
Its reflexes are fast enough, and it jumps up and is able to escape, eventually hiding in a tree. Snake versus crocodile. In the Australian outback, a big snake runs into a croc and they get into a fight. The crocodile bites down on the snake trying to kill it.
Like,
but
how do they know this is about to
the snake
happen?
wraps around
Like, do
the
they have
crocodile,
people literally
and in a
just sitting
fight
there?
that lasts hours, the snake comes out victorious. Iguana versus iguana. Some of the most vicious fights are between a species' own kind, as they're the most fair. This fight between
This is happening in the middle of
and iguana proves just that. As they fight tooth and claw, people continue to drive past, ignoring the iguanas locked in fierce combat, until one iguana eventually flees. Lion versus bison. The lion is on the
A
hunt,
bison looks just like a
trying
buffalo.
to steal the bison's young
Like, if you
calf,
put
but
both
in
them
the
together, I
wild,
wouldn't know the
prey
difference. I
fight
swear.
back, and the bison's unwilling to let the lion take her kid. Cutting him off, she continually fights the lion until eventually the lion runs away. Crocodile versus wild boar. A crocodile slowly approaches a family of wild boar as
Oh
they
my
drink
gosh,
the
hold
water,
on, what?
hoping to snatch one of the unsuspecting piglets.
Oh,
But as he
the
goes
little-
in for the
oh,
attack,
okay.
the adult boar retaliate, trying to protect their piglets against the crocodile. And eventually, the crocodile is forced to retreat. Eagle versus fox. Normally, eagles hunt smaller prey, but today the fox is on the run.
Damn,
As
that's
this
a big old
giant
animal.
eagle swoops down to try and take it out. The fox tries its best to fight back, but eventually the eagle gets the upper hand, sinking its sharp claws into the fox's soft fur and wrestling the poor fox to the ground.
I didn't know eagles was that big.
Squirrel versus cobra versus mongoose.
A three-way fight?
This fight begins with a brave squirrel who thinks himself a cobra killer. The squirrel, mustering up some unseen confidence, decides to attack the cobra. But then the squirrel gets attacked by a blade of grass, freaks out, and runs away. Luckily for the squirrel, however, a mongoose appears, the resident snake killer, who also decides to take a go at the cobra. The cobra's not having any of it, though, and wants nothing more than to take out his new opponent. The mongoose slowly circles the cobra.
I wonder if they're like having a
looking for break in
conversation.
the cobra's
Like, you know, like before, like
defenses.
two
The
people
cobra
fight, they have like, they
knows
talk
what
that
he's
stuff. Like, what's
doing.
good,
And
bro?
as soon as the
What's good,
mongoose
brody?
goes in for an
That's what they're
attack,
saying right now.
The cobra retaliates. This isn't the mongoose's first fight either, though. And when the cobra goes in for a bite, the mongoose pulls off a matrix-like defensive maneuver to dodge the snake's attack. The mongoose then goes for one final ill-timed attack, and when he does, the cobra bites him right in the mouth, forcing the mongoose to flee. The lucky snake is victorious, having just fended off two
Low-key,
separate
snakes can't
opponents.
fight.
Let me know in the comments which fight surprised you the most. And if you guys enjoyed
I ain't gonna
this
lie,
video,
that one,
I would much appreciate if you left a thumb.
That one video, no, the one fight, what was it? It was, dang, I forgot the video. Hold on. Bro, it was one of the first ones, bro. Hold on. It was one of the first ones. Oh, no, it was a giraffe. Hold on, it was this one right here. It was the giraffe versus the lion. This one.
In this insane fight, somewhere in the plains of
See,
Africa,
this one,
the lion
like,
jumps up to bite at the giraffe's neck.
Yeah, this
but
one
the
for
giraffe
sure is like
body
the
slams
most
the lion in the chest.
cool one I watched. But that's it for the video. If you liked it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know what I mean? All that good stuff. And let me know in the comments what you want to see, what reactions you want to see and all that. And I'm going to do it, you know what I mean? And but I'm going to catch y'all later. Have a wonderful day. I'm probably going to upload this. What time is it? It's like 11:30. Okay, so I'm probably upload it. Whoa. I'm going to probably upload this at like 12:30ish. And I have a video dropping at 12. No, I have a video dropping at 3 o'clock Eastern time. So where I'm at. And I'm probably going to drop like 2 more videos today. So that's going to be a total of 4. Yeah, but bro, I'm telling you, bro, I'm really doing this YouTube stuff, bro. Like, I'm really doing this, bro. Like, people don't understand, bro. Like, I'm really doing this YouTube stuff. Like, I really want to, bro. I'm really doing this YouTube stuff, bro. But I'm gonna catch y'all later, though. Have a good day. I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm not gone, though. I'm gonna be back, though. All right. All right, bye.
New car, no keys, push to start, let's go. And you know I possess many flows, 10 toes, never fold, gotta stick to the code.